The storm was very strong last night.
Yes, the wind was very loud.
I heard the thunder in my room. The rain was hitting my window hard.
I am glad we are all safe.
Our house kept us nice and warm.
Look at the roof up there, Dad.
Some pieces are missing from the top.
That does not look very good at all.
I need to fix that right away.
The yard is full of wet leaves. I can help you clean up, Maya. Let's put them in a big pile.
That is a great idea, you two.
I will get my tall ladder now.
Are you sure you should do this?
I must fix it before more rain.
But the roof still looks very slippery.
I have good shoes. I will be fine.
Can I climb the ladder with you?
No, Tom. You must stay down here.
Your father is right. Stay with us.
I want to learn how to fix things.
I will teach you when you are older.
I will stay here and jump rope.
Good girl. Keep your feet on the grass.
That toolbox looks very heavy, Dad.
It is heavy, but I am strong. I am checking it right now. It is steady.
Please go slowly up the ladder today.
I will be careful. Do not worry.
You look so tall up there.
You look like a giant now, Dad.
I can see the whole neighborhood from here.
Just focus on the roof, please.
Oh, I see the broken part right here.
Is it a big hole up there?
No, it is just a few small pieces.
The wind is starting to blow again.
It is just a small morning breeze.
I am worried. Please come down now.
I just need a few more minutes.
The trees are moving a lot, Dad.
That is normal weather for today.
I feel cold air on my face.
The sky is getting dark very fast.
I can finish this before the rain.
Dad, the ladder is shaking a lot. This concerns me. You should come down.
I am almost done with this part.
The wind is pushing the ladder.
I have my balance. It is okay.
The wind is too loud right now.
Please listen to us. It is dangerous. I have one row left to fix. This is not good. Come down immediately. I only have one row left to fix.
Your toolbox is starting to move, Dad.
I see it. I will grab it.
Leave the tools. Please come back down. I can fix it. Just wait.
The wind is getting even stronger now.
Please come down. I am very worried. I hear you, but I must finish.
No house is worth this much risk.
Almost done. Just one more small nail. Whoa!
I cannot hold on to this. Hold on to the roof. Be careful. Dad, are you okay? Please speak. Dad, please open your eyes for us. Dad, can you hear my voice today?
I am very tired. I need rest.
He needs to sit down right now. I am so worried about you, Dad.
Stay calm, Maya. We are right here.
My back hurts. I am not feeling well.
Do not move at all right now. What should we do to help him?
Just give me a moment to rest.
No, we need to get some help.
I remember what to do right now.
What are you going to do, Tom?
I will call for help right now.
Yes, please hurry and make the call. I will be right back with help.
I will hold your hand, Dad.
Thank you, Maya. That is very kind.
Emergency! I need to call for help!
Hello, do you need some help today? Yes. My dad fell from our roof. Is he awake right now, young man? He is awake, but very tired. What is your home address, please? We live at 12 Maple Street. Help is coming to you very soon. Thank you so much. Please hurry up.
They are coming to help us now.
You did a very good job, Tom.
I hear a loud siren coming closer.
They will help Dad feel better soon.
Here they come up the driveway now.
We will take him to rest now.
We will follow you in our car. Please make my dad feel better today.
We will take good care of him.
I really want Dad to feel better. He will. He is resting right now.
I made a wrong choice earlier today.
What do you mean by that, Tom?
I wanted to climb the ladder too.
You did not climb it, thank goodness.
I realize now it was very unsafe.
Yes. Safety is the most important thing.
I was so worried when he fell.
I was very concerned about him, too.
But I stayed calm and called help.
You were very brave today, my son.
You saved Dad with your quick call.
I just wanted to help our family.
You did exactly the right thing, Tom.
I am glad I learned those rules. Dad is glad you learned them too.
When can we see him in there?
The doctor will tell us very soon.
Your dad is awake and doing well.
Oh, that is such wonderful news today.
Can we go see him right now?
Yes, you can go in and visit.
Dad, I am so happy you are awake.
I am very happy to see you.
How are you feeling right now, honey?
I am resting, but I feel better.
We were very concerned about you, Dad.
I know. I made a wrong choice.
You should have listened to our warnings.
You are right. I ignored the wind.
The ladder was shaking so much today.
I wanted to fix the house fast.
But you are more important than a roof.
I see that now. I am sorry.
I called the helper people for you.
You did a fantastic job today, Tom.
He remembered exactly what to do outside.
I am very proud of you, son.
I will always try to be safe.
We all need to be safe, always.
I will never climb a tall ladder.
That is a very good promise, Maya.
We learned a big lesson today, everyone.
When weather is bad, safety comes first.
And knowing how to call for help is good.
Yes, it is.
Exactly. Our family is what matters most.
I love our family very, very much.
We love you too, my sweet girl.
We are all happy and you are okay.
I am the luckiest dad right now.
Let's all just rest and be together.
I will never ignore your warnings again.
I will hold you to that promise.
We can fix the roof next week.
Yes, we will hire a professional helper.
That sounds like a much better plan.
Huh?